still a certain amount of ambient light in the atmosphere. Like, for example, it gets pretty dark out in Whitley County, but it doesn't get so dark that I can't look over to the southwest and see the lights of Columbia City. Or I look to the east, southeast, and I can see the light of Fort Wayne. And I often think to myself, man, when I was a kid, there wasn't this much light pollution. Because even in Whitley County, at certain times of the year, especially in the winter, when this on a clear, you could see part of the Milky Way. If you go out west to Montana, or you go up to Alaska, or even you go onto the large mountain peak that's on the main island of Hawaii, which is like 14,000 some odd feet, and you get above the clouds, you can actually see Orion's belt, you can see the band of the Milky Way. So apparently this judgment, there'll be so much darkness that even the night becomes dark. Right? So, last verse, verse 13.
And I looked and I heard an eagle crying with a loud voice, and it flew directly overhead. Woe, woe, woe to those who dwell on the earth, at the blast of the other trumpets that the three angels are about to blow.
Yes. All right. So conditions in the sky, conditions in the saltwater sea, conditions upon the earth, and conditions with the fresh waters have created this overwhelming judgment. And yet, here in the book of Revelation, the only time a creature that is not an angel and not a human being speaks with a voice. One eagle flying in the, and the word here is in the mid-air, in the mid-air, in the sky, saying with a voice mega. The Holy Spirit likes to use the big words here, right? The big voice, the mega voice. And what does he say? Woe, woe, woe. And it's not that WHOA, like you're trying to get the goats to slow down or the horse to slow down. Whoa, whoa, Nelly. No, it's not that. It's the WOE. It's like something bad is about to happen. What is that word in Greek? I don't have my glasses on. Why? Woe, woe, woe. Woe to who? Woe to the ones dwelling upon the earth because of the remaining sounds, or blasts, if you will, of the trumpets of the three angels being about to trumpet or sound. Right? So if you thought it was bad this week, just wait till next week. All right, all right, so don't get depressed by all this. We are working our way through this, but there is a coming judgment for the physical universe. And of course, we as mankind, as creatures, the animals are facing the judgment. Human beings are facing the judgment. The earth and the sky and the fresh waters and the salty sea are all facing judgment because all are fallen. That's why St. Paul would even write, even the very creation groans for the redemption. And so after this week and next week, and hearing all the judgment, you too will be groaning for the redemption of Christ and his return, right? Which we should be. We should be longing or groaning for Christ's return. Any questions? All right, go in peace, serve the Lord. All will be well. It's going to be okay.